Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A32, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here you want to scroll down to general management and choose reset. Select factory data reset, and in here you will have an info what it will remove. So probably the more important things that it will remove are things like your music, photos, and user data. So if there's anything that you would like to keep on that phone, then back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, scroll down, select reset. If you have some kind of protection on your device, you will need to confirm it. I have a pattern, obviously. And from here, delete all, and the process will now begin. So this will probably take about 5 minutes or so, and once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.